Welcome to Bedside Confidence. Get smart where it matters most, between the sheets.
How I got a woman interested in me in just one meeting. My 5 secret tips. You ever met someone for the first time and felt that instant spark? Well, that happened to me. And by the end of that first meeting, she was already asking me when we could see each other again. It wasn't luck. It was strategy. Today, I'm sharing exactly what I did. Step by step, so you can make the same unforgettable first impression. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we talk about confidence, attraction, and building genuine connections, no fake lines, no games. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll give you a bonus tip that works even if you're shy. So here's the story. I was invited to a small networking event, not a date, just a casual group of people. I didn't know her before that night, but I made a few key moves that turned a random introduction into instant chemistry. The first thing, presence. When she walked into the room, I didn't rush over. I didn't stare. Instead, I stayed relaxed, spoke with others, and made sure my body language said, "I'm confident where I am." When we finally met, I gave her my full attention. Direct eye contact, a warm smile, and an open posture. Confidence isn't about talking the loudest, it's about owning your space. Tip number 2. Ask real questions. Most guys ask surface level stuff like, "Where are you from? What do you do?" I skipped that. I asked something real, like, "What's something exciting you're working on right now?" That one question lit her up. She started telling me about her passion projects, and I listened genuinely. Pro tip: if her eyes light up, you're in the right territory. Tip number 3. Match energy, not words. We often focus too much on what to say, but attraction is more about matching her energy. If she's upbeat and playful, match that vibe. If she's calmer and thoughtful, slow it down. People connect with those who make them feel in sync. By mirroring her pace and enthusiasm naturally, I made her feel comfortable instantly. Tip number 4. Drop a subtle compliment. Halfway through our chat, I gave her one compliment. And here's the secret. It wasn't about her looks, I said. "I like the way you explain things. It's so easy to follow." That made her feel seen for something deeper than appearance. Compliments about character or behavior leave us stronger. Tip number 5. End on a high note. When the night was wrapping up, I didn't linger awkwardly. I told her, "I've enjoyed this conversation. I'd like to hear more. How about coffee next week?" Simple, confident, and direct. She smiled, gave me her number, and that was that. Sometimes ending on a high note makes them want more. Bonus tip: if you're shy, here's a trick. Focus on curiosity, not performance. When you think of yourself as a curious interviewer, instead of someone trying to impress, the pressure drops, and your natural charm comes out. So that's how I turned a single meeting into a connection that lasted. Try these tips, and watch how people respond differently to you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your own instant connection stories in the comments. See you in the next one.